Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You hold the egg gently in your non-dominant hand and locate the ends. First, clean the shell and dry it, then use a sterilized pin to make a small hole about 3-4 millimeters at the narrow end and a slightly larger hole at the opposite end. Apply steady pressure and twist rather than force. This prevents hairline cracks. Once done, tap the larger hole slightly wider if needed so liquid will flow out smoothly. You now position a clean straw or bulb syringe into the larger hole and seal it against the shell with your lips or fingers. Then, place your mouth over the small hole and blow steadily, or use the syringe to create pressure, forcing the yolk and white out into a bowl below. Make sure to keep the egg tilted so gravity helps. Once most contents are out, flush gently with a teaspoon of water to clear residue. If flow slows, increase the larger hole slightly and continue. You finish by rinsing the empty shell with a small stream of water, tilting to remove any remaining membrane bits, and then drain thoroughly. Let it dry upright for 24 to 48 hours so interior moisture evaporates. Once dry, you can use it for crafts or painting. If you notice a crack during the process, stop, dry the area, and seal small fissures with a tiny dab of clear nail polish. However, larger cracks means.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.